Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool product. If you guys remember, I actually reviewed it last time, but I didn't give you guys a full-on test review. And this time, I do have a full-on test review. And pretty much how I tested this product was going snowboarding in a big blizzard recently, and it was amazing experience, but very, very scary experience as well, because it was so windy and everything was just so crazy and wild. Like it was like literally hailing on my face when I was going down the mountain and everything. But the good thing about that blizzard is the fact that since it was so strong and it was snowing so hard, it made all the snow felt so good and very, very powdery. But there was a couple part of the run that I actually did, especially when you get off the lift for like the blue part. So for those guys who go snowboarding or skiing, you guys know there's a green, there's a blue, and then there's a black diamond. So the color indicates which one is more easy, harder, and the hardest of each mountain and the elevation and whatnot. And I was actually able to test the blue level. And when I felt getting off the lift for the blue part, it hurt my butt really bad when I fell on this part. But I'm not saying that these are not good. These are actually really, really good, because if I did not have this, it would hurt my butt even more and really, really badly. Like on that day, I felt it and it really hurt. But the day after, I didn't really feel too much of the pain. I was just really sore. But I feel like I would have been even more sore if I didn't have this pad and the knee pads that I reviewed in the past. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not this product is worth it or not, obviously I had to say that any kind of padding when you guys are wearing to skateboarding, snowboarding, or anything is better than no padding. So obviously it's really, really worth it to get a padding of sorts for anything in your body. So your butt, your legs, your hips, your elbows, whatever the case may be, it's really nice to get some kind of padding so it won't hurt as much when you guys fall. And the comfort of the product is actually really, really nice. And also this pants is not actually waterproof, so when I fell off the lift or fell in general when I was snowboarding, it actually soaked into the pants, but at least there was protection. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little update video to let you guys know how it's been. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have